Banach den Rish, welcome again to Inzi Guild Learn Manx, our short introductory video series to Manx Gaelic. This time we're going to be looking at how you use time. I'm going to use it in both the past and the future tense. Okay, so we know the numbers already. Nen, G's, Tree, Kier, Queg, Shay, Shacht, Hawk, Nai, Jai. It's also useful to know 11 and 12, Nen, Jeg, Dayeg. But you'll get the hang of it, I hope. Okay, well, Kistau Hayley?
Oh, Castra Care, Gramai.
Castra Care, you understand. Cren tre, what time? Cren tre renu gu ushtave j. What time did you drink whiskey yesterday? Cren tre renu gu ushtave j.
Remi Gu Ustrave, Mush, Leoleg, Hock, and Savora.
Oh, about 8:30 in the morning, you understand. As cren tre renu chapel j.
Oh, Remi Chapel, Mush Tree at a Clag.
Mush tree, you understand. As cren tre ren joni chapel j.
Rani Chapel, Mush Nen.
Mush nen, you understand. As cren tre renu gershtak Christian radio j.
Haren mi Geishaka Radio.
Naf ren. Cren tre renu chicaner and chelvish j.
Remi Chicanera Chelvish, Mush Quag.
Mush queg.
Yeah.
Fee vi.
Keru.
Keru lurg. Yeah, about 15:15, Keru lurg smyshed. As cren tre renu gi bonig j.
Oh, Remi Gi Bonig, Fine Lair.
Fine lair throughout the day. Smyshed. Well, harem mi gi bonig fine lair. Ren rigori gi bonig fine lair.
Ren.
Smyshed. Yindasak. Okay. As crem again, what about merach tomorrow? Cren tre niu chapel merach. What time shall you shop tomorrow? Cren tre niu chapel merach.
Jaigus. Yeah, Jaigus Jai and Savora.
Jaigus Jai, Smyshed fair vi. As 10 to 10 Savora in the morning, you understand? As cren tre ni menanin chapel merach.
Nie Chapel Mush Feed. Feed Lurg Queg Helium.
Feedler Queg, 20:05. You understand? Shen Queg, yeah, Smyshed. As cremicaun Joni cren tre ni e chapel merach.
Oh, Rennie. Oh.
Ni?
Hi.
Yes, Shane.
Nie Chapel Leola Kia.
Leola Kia, Smyshed. As cren tre ni menanin gu ushjave merach.
Nie Gushave Fine Lair.
Fine lair, Shen Scameltack. That's a scandal.
Dude.
Scameltack, fine lair throughout the day. As for Yera, finally, cren tre ni rigori gerstak rishin radio merach.
Edda Tree as Shay.
Edda 3 as Shay, between 3 and 6, Edda 3 as Shay. Guramide. So hopefully that's a short introduction to how to use numbers and teletime in both the past and the future tense. So again, thank you for watching. As Hayley Guramai Mored.
Oh, Napa Beg, won't you?